In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Gmail storage if you've hit Google's 15 GB limit. We all know how crucial it is to keep our Gmail organized, especially when we're close to reaching that storage capacity. Today, I'll guide you through some straightforward steps to efficiently free up space, making sure your Gmail account continues to run smoothly without any hiccups. So grab your laptop, desktop, or mobile device, and let's get started. First, you want to open your browser and head over to Gmail. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, take a moment to glance at your storage capacity. You'll usually find it indicated at the bottom of your Gmail page. This will give you a clear picture of how much space you need to free up. Now let's tackle those emails with large attachments, the usual culprits for filling up your storage. In the search bar at the top of your Gmail, type has attachment larger to 10 M. This search query will filter emails that have attachments larger than 10 megabytes. Look through these emails and delete those you don't need anymore. Be sure to check that these emails don't contain any vital information before you hit delete. Once you've cleared out those hefty emails, let's move on to cleaning up your Google Drive. Start by opening Google Drive, and much like with Gmail, check the space usage at the bottom of the screen. Here, sort files by size so that the largest ones appear at the top. Review these files, and if there are any you no longer need, go ahead and move them to the trash. Remember, files in Google Drive trash still take up space until they're permanently deleted, so don't forget to empty your trash once you've moved items there. Next, move on to Google Photos. In Google Photos, take a look at the Photos and Videos section. It's a good idea to change your upload size to Storage Saver instead of Original. This will compress files and save a significant amount of space without losing quality. Another quick tip is to utilize Google's Find Out What's Taking Up Space tool. Visit your Google account, navigate to the Manage Your Storage page, and it will show you what files are using your Google storage across all its services. This powerful overview can quickly help you identify files or data that need a second look. And there you have it. By performing these actions, you should see a marked difference in storage space on your account, allowing you to continue using Gmail and other Google services without interruption. Clearing out space might seem daunting at first, but with these steps, you'll find it's actually quite manageable. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more useful tech tips and guides.